Can you withdraw funds from TEMU? Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the TEMU application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the U option on the bottom center of your screen, and in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to see the credit balance. However, you will not see the option to withdraw your TEMU credits as cash anywhere. So unfortunately, you cannot withdraw cash from TEMU as TEMU credits are strictly for use within the TEMU platform only, such as purchases or offsetting future orders. There's no redemption for the real world money. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.